Okay.
Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents It's Me Wanston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's Me Wanston, yes honey, it's now live.
Hey you guys, welcome back everyone to another amazing Bake With Me guys. And today we are going to be doing the Pillsbury Oreo mix cupcakes guys. As you guys can see, this is the Pillsbury mix. So we're just changing it up a little bit. We're not doing Betty Crocker today. We're going to do the Pillsbury one because I thought this would have been a great mix to do. So the only difference about this one, you're going to need 4 eggs, all right? And of course, you're going to need your oil, your water, all right? And then this is the icing that we're using that comes with the little flakes on the top. So before we get into it, we're going to wash our hands. All right? Okay. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and crack our eggs. As you guys can see, I like to have my eggs in a separate container. All right. So 4 eggs for this, guys. So we're going to crack our eggs. All right. You always want to make sure that you don't get no shells in your batter. Okay? Even the little tiny ones that you can't see. So make sure you don't get no shells. Okay? So we're going to pour this in here. All right. Now we're going to need a 1/2 cup of cooking oil. So you can use vegetable oil. You can use the Crisco. I'm using the Crisco vegetable oil. So we're going to do a 1/2 cup of vegetable, just vegetable oil. Okay. All right. So here we have it, guys. Right there is where our oil is going to be. So we're going to pour that in there. Okay. Now we're going to get some water, guys. All right. So you always want to make sure that you have different containers for when you're mixing or doing anything. So we need a cup of water. 1 cup of water. All right. Now it doesn't matter if you're pouring your water in the same mixing. All right. So 1 cup of water. All right. So that's done. Okay. Now we're gonna put our mixture in here. And as you can see, it has the Oreo flakes and everything in there. So let's open it. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're going to get rid of this. Now, what we're going to do is start mixing, guys. Are you ready? Hold on. We're gonna go slow first. Okay. Now, as you guys can see here, the Oreos are in the batter, guys. So you guys see, the Oreos are in the batter. So this is the pan that I'm using. But what you also want to make sure is that you have the little cupcakes filling. You want to make sure that you put them in your pan so that it does not stick. Alright, guys? Okay? So it doesn't stick. This would help your for your cupcakes. So what we're gonna do is dip this out. Let's wash this, okay? And we're gonna dip it out. Alright? And we're gonna start to pour. Alright, just a little bit at a time. And pour in here. A little bit at a time. Alright, let's just get this one situated. Okay, so just a little bit at a time, guys. Okay, a little bit at a time. Alright, guys? How's everybody's day going? I hope everybody's having a lovely day. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and share. I also have some cook with me coming up, guys. A live one coming up soon on the 16th. So make sure you guys check that out. Alright. So this one, and our oven is already preheated to 350 degrees, guys. So you also want to make sure that your oven is preheated. Okay? So, alright. So, this is ready to go in our oven, but we're going to put it to the side because we want to make sure that all of them goes in the oven. Okay, guys? Together. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to do this one. Okay. So you slowly want to make sure that you pour. You also want to get like some baking utensils. You can find them at your nearest dollar store or like Dollar Tree, Five and Below, you know, for your baking utensils. Or even Amazon. Amazon always has stuff on sale if you have Prime. Um, all right, guys. So we're almost done. Okay. So if you haven't tried this cake mix before, try it out. Everybody loves a good Oreo cookie. Try it out, guys. Okay. All right, and we're gonna make sure we make enough for J3 and Kylie from Keeping Up with the Griffins. All right. So we're gonna put this in the oven now, guys. All right, guys. So our cupcakes are in the oven. We're gonna let it bake for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. We're gonna come back. We're gonna check them, and then we're going to ice in and put our nice chocolate chips on top. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So we are back. As you guys can see, our cupcakes are done. See how nice and brown they are right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to icing them and put our sprinkles on top. All right. So I'm not going to melt the icing this time. I'm just going to take a nice little flat knife and I'm going to put the icing like this on the top. All right. I'm going to add a little bit more. All right. And you just want to spread it around just like this so it can cover the entire cupcake. All right. And then you sprinkle just a little bit of the cookies on top. You sprinkle just a little bit of the cookies on the top. All right. Now we're gonna do the rest of them. Okay. And you want to make sure that you just gradually touch the cupcake with the knife. You don't want to like cut the cupcake or anything. Just gradually design it slowly, like you're putting on butter on top of a piece of bread. That's what you want to do. Okay? So you're sprinkling, 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 guys. Make sure you guys can see this. So we want to make sure that we sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Alright? And then we're going to do these last two. And then we are done, guys. Alright? So we're going to rub. Continue to just rub carefully. Rub carefully. It is also better once the cupcakes come out of the oven, wait about maybe 2 minutes to put the icing on the cupcake so that the icing can melt on top of the cupcake. Yeah, so it can be nice and melted. Alright? It can be nice and melted on top of the cupcake. Okay? just sprinkle. And then here we have one more. So you're just dabbing like your paint roll. For those of you that does makeup, you're just dabbing a little bit. Just a light dusting, honey. Light dusting. You're just doing a light dusting. Alright? Light dusting. Alright? Last one. And there we have it. Okay. Last one, guys. Last one. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, take a look at that. We got Pillsbury Oreo cake mix cupcakes, guys. Look at that, guys. See how beautiful they look? Look at that. Who's ready for cupcakes? Yes. Look at that, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. Guys, I hope you enjoy my bake with me. Guys, please try out this cake mix. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you like about the video. Alright, guys. And make sure you turn on that notification bell each time I upload. Each time I come out with something great, guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. I love you guys.
What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?